The photo vest, an iconic garment unchanged for 80 years. But what they offer in functionality, they've always lacked in style. In the fast-moving world of photography, we wanted to create something for the needs of the modern photographer. Something with useful and innovative features that looks as good on the streets as it does at a photo shoot. Reinvented in Austria by COOPH's skilled team of designers and expertly manufactured in Poland. Gear not just for today, but for those bold enough to pursue the future. The vest comes in two different colors, black anthracite and navy anthracite. With a discrete internal heating system, the vest warms key areas in the lower back and front pockets. It works with any standard USB power bank, and the temperature can be controlled directly from your smartphone. If desired, it can even adjust automatically in response to your movements. It also features a variety of pockets, so you can store all your essentials, from spare lenses to smartphones and wallets. It features a sheep wool inner lining and a two-way reversible design, so you can switch up your style whenever you feel like it. Want one to call your own? Then head over to COOPH.com or visit our select retail partners today. Here's to another 80 years of the photo vest.